Hi, it's Emily from WTI. This is the Fashciaga Walnut Wood Pill Organizer. So if you struggle to take your vitamins the way that you'd like to, or you have a bunch of these sitting around, this is what you need to do. Get rid of them, because you're gonna love this thing.
First thing I loved about this box is honestly the aesthetic and quality craftsmanship. It rotates so easily on the strong magnetic top, but the lid doesn't come off easily unless you pull straight up. So of course, that's great because who wants their medication falling out all over their bag or wherever they put the box? I also love that it's a very large capacity in each slot. So I was able to put up to 6 large capsules in one, and the lid was strong enough that it still didn't come off even when inverted 180 degrees. Okay, the second thing I love is the multi-function facet. So this would be such a great spice organizer. It's great for your emergency go bag. It's great for camping. It's great for travel. You can organize all sorts of small things. It's just such a fun box.
This beautifully designed product has so many functions. And if you are trying to be healthier like me, take your vitamins every day, this makes it so much more enjoyable. And I think you're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.